Hi dear students, in this video we are going to learn about volume and surface area of the sphere. And I wrote the formulas together. Here the volume of a sphere 4 over 3 pi r cube, or 4 pi r cube over 3. And the surface area of the sphere, it's 4 pi r square it's going to be. By using these formulas we are going to calculate the area. But we need to know it's going to be unit cube for the volume and unit square for the sphere. Surface area. Calculate the volume of surface area of a sphere in terms of pi, and we recognize that the radius is equal to 3 here if r is equal to 3. What we are going to do? If r is equal to 3, you know that one we can easily calculate by using the formulas, because in formulas we need only r to calculate the volume or surface area. So I'm going to start with volume. Volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 over 3 times pi times r cube is equal to here 3 cube it should be. Then I'm going to multiply here these terms by integers, because we are going to multiply by numerator only. 4 times pi times 3 cube, it's going to be 27 divided by 3. 27 and 3 you may simplify by dividing them by 3. Both of them, if you simplify, it's going to be here, this one and this one. If we simplify, this is going to be 9 and this is going to be 1. So totally it's equal to 36 pi centimeter cube. It has to be, since the unit is centimeter, the form result it should be centimeter cube. It is approximately 110 centimeter cube. The surface area, it's equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 times pi times 3 square, which is equal to 36 pi centimeter square it should be. Okay, that's the difference. Here 4 pi r square, which is 9, 4 times pi times 9, and that makes 36 pi centimeter square. It's only coincidence volume and surface area is equal to each other here in this question, but the units are different. This is centimeter cube, this is centimeter square, it has to be. Okay, if we continue with the examples about the given volume of a sphere with 288 pi meter cube. So volume is 288 pi meter cube. How we are going to calculate this one? We are going to do like this. Firstly, we are going to read the formula, which is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube, that's going to be equal to 288 pi. Then we are looking for r. That's why we are going to leave r alone. 3 goes up, 4 goes down, which means pi r cube is equal to 288 times pi times 4 divided by 3. It's going to be, opposite. It should be not times 3 over 4. It should be times 3 over 4. And pi is same on both sides. I can simplify easily from both sides. So this one and this one I simplify, and there I'm going to write instead of them 1 and 1 on both sides. And then r cube is equal to 288 times 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 288 divided by 4. It's going to be 72. 72 times 3, which is equal to 216. So r cube, it should be equal to 216. And if r cube is equal to 216, r must be equal to cube root of 216. And I'm looking for which number's cube is 216. It is going to be 6. So r, it should be equal to 6 meters. 6 meter it has to be. Okay, the second question, actually this is the third question for this video. And the volume surface area of the sphere, it's written here volume, by the way, by mistake it's written like that. The surface area of the sphere is 196, which means for pi r square it should be equal to 196. For pi r square is equal to 196 pi millimeter squared, by the way. So unit it's going to be millimeter. So for pi r square is equal to, we are going to send the to find the r, we are going to send 4 and pi to the other side. R square is equal to 196 times pi divided by pi times 4. I got pi consciously on both sides. In none of my operations I got the pi to same side, but I wanted to show that's why we were cancelling. So because when you write as a denominator, you are going to see that we are going to simplify from both of them, and that's going to be equal to 1, and that's going to be equal to 1, and then this is going to be 196 over 4. R square is equal to 196 divided by 2. It's going to be equal to 98, and divided by 2, it's going to be 49. R square is equal to 49, it should be. And then R is equal to 7. Since the unit is millimeter square, the answer is going to be equal to millimeter.